Hello and welcome to Elevate HR's Tips and Tricks for Dynamics 365 for Talent. Today we're going to talk about customizing the look and feel of talent. When you provision a talent environment, a default experience is applied, but it's very easy to customize a few things to enhance your experience. First, let's look at the banner on the dashboard. The banner is legal entity specific. That means you can have a different banner for each legal entity. To set the banner, open the Legal Entities form from the Organization Administration module. Select the legal entity you want to customize the banner for and expand the Dashboard Image Fast tab. In Dashboard Company Image Type, select Banner. Now the Change button is enabled. Click Change and select a different banner. Save your changes and return to your dashboard. You may also need to refresh your browser. The new banner is now displayed. Repeat for each legal entity that should have a custom banner. The next quick customization option is to modify the color theme. Each user can select their own color theme by selecting the User Options menu. You can also set the color theme for all users from the User Options form in System Administration links. The color theme will be applied to all users. Finally, when you log into Talent, you will arrive at your dashboard by default. That may be desirable for some users, but for some businesses, the majority of users primarily do their work in self-service. Back in the User Options form in the System Administration links, click Preferences. In the Initial Page field, select Employee Self-Service. Now when you log into Talent, and every time you click the Talent button, you will be directed to your employee self-service page. Individual users can still choose their own initial page in their user options if they spend a lot of time in various modules of Talent and the dashboard is more convenient for them. And that concludes our look at customizing the look and feel of Talent. As you saw, you can be up and running with customized experience in seconds. For more information about Dynamics 365 for Talent, contact Elevate HR for a demo.